Hey everyone, if AnyDesk update failed, the app won't install the latest version, or you're getting update errors, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help you update AnyDesk successfully. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Interrupted downloads can prevent updates from completing properly. Next, restart your device and try updating again. Yeah, temporary system glitches can sometimes interfere with the update process. Try launching AnyDesk with administrator privileges. Updates often require elevated permissions to install correctly. Some antivirus programs may block update files. So, temporarily disabling your antivirus can help determine whether it's causing the problem. Make sure your device has enough free disk space. Insufficient storage can cause updates to fail. If the built-in updater doesn't work, download the newest version manually from the official AnyDesk website. Yeah, manual installation often solves update problems. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, turn it off temporarily. Network restrictions can interfere with update downloads. Delete leftover files from previous installations if necessary. Corrupted files can prevent new updates from installing properly. If the update still fails, uninstall AnyDesk completely and install the latest version from scratch, so a clean installation can fix damaged components. Make sure your operating system is fully updated. Yeah, missing system updates can cause compatibility problems. If nothing works, contact AnyDesk support for additional help. They may be able to identify deeper compatibility or update-related issues, and that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the AnyDesk update failed problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.